Class 11 Chemistry, important questions and answers. These are useful for all over India, class 11 students for your board examinations, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. And if any other place CBSE, if you are following, you can comfortably use. And in Telangana, this is the blueprint. From atomic structure, you'll be getting 8 marks question, periodic table 8 marks question, and chemical bonding either 8 marks or 4 plus 4. In this way, this is also designed. In this session, we'll go with atomic structure. I just read this part. If possible, if required, then I will explain that part also, so that you can understand, you can write in exam. Fine. So atomic structure, you will be getting one long answer question. In this long answer, actually we are going to cover all the 2 marks questions also, very short answer questions also. Just see. So have patience. This video will last for around 20 minutes because we need to discuss around 4 to 5 questions. Done. Atomic structure. Write the postulates of Bohr's model of hydrogen atom. Discuss the importance of this model to explain various series of line spectra in hydrogen atom. Postulates of Bohr's model are: the electron in a hydrogen atom revolves around the nucleus in a fixed circular path called orbits. When important line is there, you just underline that one. So these are the circular paths: K shell, L shell, M shell. Electron will be revolving in these. Each orbit is associated with a definite energy these orbits are called energy levels. These are represented as 1, 2, 3, 4, or you say KLMN. As long as the electron revolves in a particular orbit, it neither loses nor gains energy. These orbits are called stationary orbits. Energy is fixed, so they are called stationary orbits, and they are designated as 1, 2, 3, 4 or KLMN. The angular momentum of an electron is always integral multiple of h by 2 pi. MVR is equal to NH by 2 pi. When you write such kind of points, try to keep them in boxes. If an electron jumps from one level to another level, it may emit or absorb energy, and that is equal to h nu. Delta E is equals to E2 minus E1 is equal to h nu. If electron jumps from lower orbit to higher orbit, it absorbs energy. If electron jumps from higher orbit to lower orbit, it emits energy. These points must be included in your answer. Okay, now definitely you will get 100% marks. Bohr's explanation to hydrogen spectrum. Hydrogen atom has one proton and one electron in the ground state. By the absorption of energy less than 13.6 electron volts, electron jumps to the higher energy level, which is unstable. Hence, it comes back to ground state by emitting the energy. In the emission, several spectral lines are formed. They are Lyman, Balmer, Paschen, Brackett, and Fund series. Okay, now if you want to add, you can add Humphrey series also, not required. What do you mean by Lyman series? When electron comes from any energy level to first energy level, that's called Lyman series in the UV region. From any to second level, Balmer series in the visible region. Any to third level is Paschen series in the near IR region. This is IR region. This is far IR region. Lyman, Balmer, this box you need to make. Okay, now they don't read all the lines, each and every line. They will be seeing this box. If the box is right, that means if the values in the box are correct, they will award you complete marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now to which level it is coming, from where it is coming, and where the region is. Lyman, Balmer, Paschen, Brackett, and Fund series. Okay, now no gap is here. And this equation also you mentioned, Rydberg equation. Nu bar is equal to 1 by lambda is equal to R into 1 by N1 square minus 1 by N2 square. R is Rydberg constant. 109,677 per centimeter is the value. It cannot explain the spectra of multi-electron species. It failed to explain Zeeman and Stark effects. These are the limitations. Clear? One long answer. How did the quantum numbers N, L, M, S arrive, and explain the significance of these quantum numbers? Simple question. What are quantum numbers? Okay, simple question. Quantum numbers are explain about the quantum numbers. 50% chances for this question in your board exam. The four quantum numbers are principal quantum number. It was proposed by Niels Bohr, denoted by small n. Values are 1, 2, 3, 4, or k elements, so on. The maximum number of electrons in an orbit is 2n square. This question asked in JEE 2023 also. Significance. It indicates the size and energy of the orbit. We are discussing here how to write the answer briefly, accurately, so that you will be getting full marks. Okay, now you can write principal quantum number, so many things also. But these lines are mandatory. It indicates the size and energy of the orbit. And significance, if you want to mention, the angular momentum is also depending on principal quantum number. MVR is equal to NH by 2 pi. Radius of orbit 0.53 into n squared by z, depending on n. Energy of electron minus 13.6 into z squared by n squared, electron volts per atom. Okay, all these are depending on n value. So all these are going to be decided by the principal quantum number. You can add these points also. These lines are, these particular answers are given in view of all the students, that is average, above average, top students, everyone. If you are writing these points, they have to award you the complete marks. This is our intention. Azimuthal quantum number. Azimuthal quantum number is proposed by Sommerfeld, denoted by small l. Its values are from 0 to n minus 1. When L values are 0, 1, 2, 3, the sublevels are SP, DF respectively. If L is equal to 0, that is, you can write here L value 0, 1, 2, 3. SPDF, S orbital shape is spherical, P orbital is dumbbell, D orbital is double dumbbell, and F orbital is fourfold dumbbell. The significance of azimuthal quantum number is it indicates the shapes of the orbitals. Coming to third quantum number, that is magnetic quantum number. It was proposed by Lande, denoted by small m. The values are from minus L to plus L, including 0. The total m values are orbitals in subshell is equals to 2L plus 1. The number of orbitals in SPDF subshells are 1, 3, 5 and 7 respectively. Means S orbital 1, P orbital 3, D orbital 5 and F orbital 7. The significance of magnetic quantum number is it indicates the orientation of orbitals in space. And it explains even Zeeman effect and Stark effect. This point also you can add. Zeeman effect is splitting of spectral lines in magnetic field. Stark effect is splitting of spectral lines in electric field. Splitting of spectral lines in magnetic field is Zeeman effect. In electric field is Stark effect. Then spin quantum number, it was proposed by Gaudsmit and Uhlenbeck, denoted by small s. If the electron revolves in clockwise direction around itself, spin is given as plus of. If the electron revolves in anti-clockwise direction around itself, spin is given as minus of. These diagrams are not required, just to understand. It indicates the direction of the spin of the electron. Fine. Spin quantum number is actually independent, but magnetic quantum number depends on azimuthal quantum number. Azimuthal quantum number depends on principal quantum number. 50% chances are there for this question in your board examination.